Hi guys, today I'm gonna split some firewood with this tractor wood splitter. This is called Igland WS 90. The wood splitter gets hydraulic from the tractor, and I usually run the tractor at about 11 to 1200 RPM. It has a hydraulic lift on the knife. Now I'm just running it with a 4-way splitter, but I also can use a 6-way splitter on this one. You adjust the height on the knife with this lever, and to operate the splitter you have to push this and this at the same time, 2 hands. It has 2 speeds. On the fast it pushes with 4.5 metric ton, and on the slow it pushes with 9 ton metric. The wood splitter is actually 10 years this year. It's a 2012 model. I used it a lot and never had any problems with it. The only maintenance I'm doing is just lubrication. That's just on this part. You can also adjust the return length, and it can take logs up to 60 centimeters. So I'm gonna split some oak, some birch, and a little bit of pine. So to adjust the height of the knife, I just pull this lever up and down. Super easy. And to engage the splitter, I just pull both levers at the same time. Super easy. I like to store and dry the wood in these big bags. By the way, this is oak. Here is birch. It's easy to clean, you just lift this. This is oak. When you want to split some of the smaller logs, you just drive the knife down and split it in two. To change the knife, it's just 1 bolt. So with a 6-way knife it's a lot faster. as you see, it goes a lot faster with a 6-way knife. You see, everyone is different, so usually I prefer just to run the 4-way splitter. And you get a lot of this smaller one with a 6-way knife. I like to store and dry the wood in these big bags. This one is at 1000 liters. It's very easy to move around and it's on a pallet, so I can just lift it with a tractor. I also make some of these smaller 60 liters bag. And I just use this to pack it. So as you saw, the wood splitter works great. I can highly recommend this one. And as I said, this is 10 years old, and I think they are just the same today. This is the brand. I'm sure a lot of you wonder what this yellow part is. That's just a quick attach for a 3-point. It's called HMV quick attach. I think it's a Norwegian design, I'm not sure. This is a nice upgrade. It's so easy to attach the equipment on the tractor. And I have the same in the front and the back.